초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hi guys! Welcome back again to my vlogs. It's me again, Josephine Tablatin. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please paki-like and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat po.
So, we're gonna eat
Pwede man yan dyan ano mo, open mo yung data mo, mag-load naman yan dyan
pepper.
Paano mo, hindi wala yung data? Asan yung data niya?
Until now, guys, today we're going to eat
Our lunch. We're in Meat Plus.
Here is Meat Plus cat. Here, this is kind of thing. I don't know what's this though.
No.
Here, what is this?
Look guys, so just duckling. This a duckling.
And then
No. We're in
Meat Plus cat.
here in Meat Plus. No. Gulo Number
41.
41. Where's Tita Jerica?
He's buying something though.
YouTube na. I just
I just think today we're going to eat because it's Nanay's birthday, right?
No, yeah. Tell the people. Nanay birthday.
It's gonna be good, right? It's gonna be good. It's Nanay's birthday. And then,
Hindi na mo na nanay.
and then it's going to
Hindi pinalitang
be I don't know.
Yung dito ba?
So what is he gonna eat? So we're gonna eat some rice with drinking water. So here is it until now because it's so cool though.
Dito kami ngayon sa Meat Plus. Kakain kami ng lunch. No!
Meat Plus half.
Ayan. Si So makulit. Joshua, si So makulit oh. Joshua oh. Hello to Joshua mo. Dali. Siya sa duckling. Siya sa duckling. You give it to, you ask Joshua kung she like, Joshua, this is, duckling. Hindi niya makita. Diba friend mo? You like friend Joshua?
Sounds good until okay, so until
Ganyan. Saan mo kinuha yan?
Hoy, Sobo!
So, what is that? Yan, si Sowo, magulo, oh. Nagbablog din siya, oh. Nagbablog siya. May, may YouTube din siya. Yan, si Sowo makulit. Grabe, super dami ang tao dito.
hello guys, today we're going to eat. So here's our water.
Ay, naku. Tabi mo yan munang water. Sige na, bitok mo.
And then so we're gonna eat, and then we're almost gonna eat right now. So
Makulit ito, makulit.
But I have a duckling though.
Okay, so the duckling.
Daming.
Aray. You ask Joshua kung she likes duckling.
You like duckling? It's so cute.
Hey, you talk Joshua there. The gift also.
Yeah.
This is my gift for Nana.
Here's it. And then to the back.
Gift ni Sowo kay Nanay.
Yes.
Ayan o.
There's the holder. Over here. So you can find here.
Siya lang daw mag-vlog.
More here. Okay, you can put it in your bag. Sure, so it's my gift.
Hindi naman mga ano.
Joe, pencil mo.
Okay, so we're gonna open it.
Mamaya maling pag-open niya dyan, yari.
Ano pa gawin?
See? See? Okay, so here's it. Like this, like this. It's,
Tama na.
it's okay. And you close it. And then
Here's the food.
here's the
Wait lang. Stop.
meat.
Parang bahay lang.
My chopsticks.
What is that?
So, ay basa ang damit niya ni. Kulit niya oh, kulit niya oh. Kulit niya oh. Tsura niya oh. No. Ay. Kulit. Kulit. Nakulit si Sowo. Oh. Makulit oh. Makulit si Sowo. Stop na. Oh, your duckling oh. Your duckling. Makulit si So, makulit. Grabe yung vacation ni So sa Baguio. Sa bahay. Ay, nagpunas siya ng damit niya kay tito niya. Nagmaoy. Sawa. 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 Where's your duckling? Dead. Dedo. Duckling is dedo. Ah.
Dead.
Okay, your duck is not.
Why always dead your duckling? Why always Oma said your duckling is dead?
Tama na yun.
Grabe dami tao dito sa Meat Plus. Saan?
Kunin niya na daw.
Ang alin?
Nasakyan. Saan yung cellphone?
Ayan dito.
Wait dito yun.
Shh, dito, mainit! Ayan, dito kami sa Meat Plus. Sobrang init, grabing init. Yan, kita niya pa yung kaibigan niya, ka-workmate niya. Init. Grabing init, oh. Yan, dito kami kumain sa Meat Plus. Hello ko. So, nagmaoy. Nagmaoy si Sowo.
That's sweet.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like
Ganda ng painting.
tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Mega love shout out, Team Academy.
It has just begun.
Zyra Savant Vlog, Joshua Villa Garcia, Ako C. Josh.
Oh, yung
Gwen Falati Vlog, Louis Guaiti Explorer, Maros Polito, RC Wena, DJ Winra, TC Spanish Vlog, EVR Vlog,
para sa'yo yan.
For Your World, Marvelin Sumay,
Okay.
Gamer Boys TV, Nene Marilyn Team RMD, Nene Curly Vlog.
Ano siya?
Now the morning is the
Doon o, sa mama.
we lay
Parang-
awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours
siya mag-pen.
pass. We're gonna do it
Aga
all
naman yung mga
again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Deal, deal. Mr. Deal.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
So, ganda nung,
And we'll
ay,
stay
paint.
young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Isama ko sa nung ano eh. Ano yung sa isa ba? Sa lang ano, oo. O sa mga tabing katabi ka.